Hi, live in UK Taiwan here. This place is called PMQ in Central in Hong Kong. PMQ stands for Police Marine Quarters, and this used to be the accommodation for the police force back in I'm not quite sure, probably around the post-war era, and then it gradually fell to derelict. It was falling to pieces until, I don't know, probably about 10 years ago, I think. They restored the building, and I believe it's now listed as a Class 3 building structure in Hong Kong. So they've converted it to like an arts and crafts centre. So inside in all the units, there are lots of all the police units where they used to live. They've been converted into like shops selling local crafts and design stuff. You can see the accommodations on both sides. I'm not sure what that part in the middle is, but at the top of that middle section is like an open terrace rooftop area, which is really nice. I'll show you in a minute.